TouchDesigner tutorial. Long time no see. So for today, we're going to have a very simple and straightforward demonstration of converting your final display in a full screen display rather than the window. So we're going to start with an empty project. As usual, we are going to remove all the unnecessary boxes and create a new project. So I name it at full screen and changing all the proper name for the project, and I also create a movie folder because I'm using an external digital video. Okay, so in the desktop I'm going to drag the movie over there. Okay, so in order to use the movie, you can either do a movie file in, or you can simply drag this one to your TouchDesigner project. So that is a simple video we have done for the animation. Okay, and then I can just add a little bit of effect to have a tile of the Hello Kitty moving. And as usual, I can also flip it into something like this in order to have a funny effect. So for the right, I try to remove the edges, and also for the bottom, and a little bit of the top and left. Okay, so this is done. And if we are not going to do anything, by clicking on the perform button, we're going to have a window which is the size of our resolution 1280 by 720. And if we are going to turn it into full screen mode, so one of the easier way is to go out of the project 1. So this is project 1, the slash is the root folder, so we can just click and select the add slash, and that will give you 3 boxes. So the box we are going to use or play around with is the perform box, that is the perform window. Project 1 is where you come from, that is the main project window, that if you double click you can go back to where you belong. So for the perform window, we can click on P parameter to have a look of those parameters we can change. So we can just choose from the opening size for fill, and then without the border, let's turn it off. And we're going to fill the primary monitor, that is the current monitor. So if you have external monitor or other than one display, you can also choose other monitor. But the default one is 0, and then if you have other, there will be 1, 2, and 3. And you also bear in mind that the opening size field may have a little bit distortion of your image. So if your tentative display is not in the same aspect ratio. So when we are done with that one, you can just click on your perform window, or I can go back to my project 1, save, and then click on my perform button. So in this case, you will have a full screen display of your final output rather than just a window with the menu bar and also the remaining portion of the desktop visible to the user. So that's it. Thank you.